Ever peeked at a website's code and just seen a jumble of symbols? Today, we're decoding them.
You've definitely seen these characters around, but what do they actually do? Okay, let's find out.
We're going to break down these 5 key symbols and the specific jobs they have on the web.
First up, quotation marks. They're absolutely essential for adding details to HTML elements.
So, what's an attribute? It's just extra info for a tag. You can think of it like a descriptor.
And you can see right here how the quotes wrap around the value, kind of like putting a label on a box.
Yep, they're basically the label makers for your code. It keeps everything neat and tidy.
All right, let's talk about the exclamation mark. And no, it's not for shouting. It's for the browser. It tells the browser what kind of file it is, or it can hide a little note for a developer.
So what's the deal with curly braces and parentheses? Well, these are actually visitors from other languages. You almost never see them in a pure HTML file. They're all about style and making things happen.
Right, so curly braces are for styling in CSS, and parentheses are for actions in JavaScript. Our last symbol isn't really in the code itself. It's up in your browser's address bar.
It's how websites pass along little bits of info, like what you just typed into a search box.
And that question mark is the key. It separates the main web address from the data that's being sent.
So what's the big takeaway here? Well, these aren't just random characters. They're the web's grammar.
As you can see, each one has its own specific, really important job to do.
So now you get the basic grammar that makes every single web page work. Pretty cool, right?
So, now that you know the rules, what are you going to build with them?